Assalamualaikum. Tonight I'm reading English newspaper and the Daily Star newspaper. At first I'm starting from the headline: blame shifting fails. The truth always comes out, and this is for the top press of in Courage. Many okay. Urans, one of the many Iveli imitations has found out recently. When the walls were closing in on the Crafty e-commerce platform following the avalanche of customer and vendor complaints about unfulfilled orders and dues amounting to taka 1,100 crore. It conveniently passed the blame onto its former chief operating officer. 7 vendors and 3 others in Orange were absconding. Police Inspector Suhail Rana is the director, claimed the 11 had embezzled taka 663 crore, due to which the customers could not get their products of their refunds and the merchants could not get their dues. But after primary investigation, the detectives have found out that they have been wrongfully accused. On August 12, MD Amanullah Chaudhary, who became Orange COO in July, filed a case with the Tejgao Industrial Area Police Station against MD Nazmul Alam Russell, the former COO of 2-year-old e-commerce platform, 7 vendors and 3 others. Between January and June, Russell had purchased 36,281 motorcycles with taka blame shifting fails. 663.49 crore of different brands from 7 vendors of Behave, the company. According to the case statement, the vendors were paid through wire transfer from 2 bank accounts of the e-commerce platform, which came to the public's reckoning over dizzying offers on motorcycles. But Russell never furnished any invoice against the payments, according to Orange. In other words, Chaudhary said Russell, in connivance with the vendors, had embezzled the sum from the e-commerce platform by providing fake customers. The other accused are Sultanuddin, Mehdi Hassan, Partho Pratim Roy, Mehdi Abid, Tanvir Hassan, Akbar, MD Fahim, Shahnaz Parvin Kea, MD and Russell's father Khalilur Rahman, wife Faria Subha, and brother Manjurul Alam Parvez. Weeks after an investigation into the case, the detectives have found that the charges brought by the complainant are not true. We have checked the sales invoices and bank documents. Those proved the charges brought by the complainant is fake. An officer of Tejgao Division's detective branch told the Daily Star, requesting anonymity as the case is still under investigation. The vendors also furnished proof of delivery of the products to the Orange customers, who also confirmed receiving motorcycles. The vendors were furnished proof of delivery of the products to the Orange customers, who also confirmed receiving the motorcycles. Besides the Orange database also shows that almost all the motorcycles have been delivered. The officer said Amanullah was ordered by the Orange management to file the case. This was just a tactic to divert the attention of the protesting customers, he added. Bring the real money launderers to book.